Okay. Cutting some wood with the 435i. This have the new filter on. Doesn't help much because the safety switch is still going crazy. So let's see if we can take a tree here. I think we take this behind here. See if we can get it on the right direction this time. So, are you ready? It will be a big crash. Okay, ready? Just what I wanted. It's so sensitive to small vibrations, like I don't know if it's some safety thing, but it's irritating like hell. I run with a BLI 300 batteries. And I have a little bit invention that I make some years ago. That's very helpful. This little guy. When you're out in the fields and cutting yourself. Or you have a friend if it's a little bit more heavy trees. Just put it up here, then you're up from the ground and can work more effective. It goes so much faster to cut the wood. I mean, it will not take me many minutes to cut up this tree. It's and of course you begin in the light side, and then the shorter the tree is, the lighter it will be in the thick end, of course. And this is what's so nice with battery, so that you don't have to have this gasoline thinking it's stopping and you have to start it, and it takes half of your energy. So and of course you should have helmet and like this, but I mean, this saw is so, they should put some extra noise so you have to use your helmet, but I'm too lazy now. It's too hot also. But I have my trousers, so. And that's you in America please use trousers a little bit more. It's too much hillbilly. It's a leg you cannot try to get back. If it's gone, it's gone. If you're not a frog, of course. So, yeah. So I'm on 2 bars now. I cut down 2 trees and cut them up and loaded them on half battery. So it's not bad, I must say. Yeah, I will show you in the when I cut this down. I made a stupid mistake on one. I cut the notch too deep, so the tree already began to go down, and yeah, it was just to take the hit. It's not much more.
Nej.
The hit. It's not much more. It's top sweeper in Swedish. Very nice bird. I put a photo on it here. And a tips that you don't want ticks on like this. Use this fly spray that have chrysanthemum extract inside. It's of course bad for nature and like this, but if you don't. Good. You can put it there somewhere. Oi. There. I cut the wood till our neighbor friend, so he don't have to do it. Now when the gasoline prices is up on the roof, it's much better to use electric, even if electric is not very cheap also, but Good, good. So it was the third tree. Machine is off. Machine, no, chain is still good. Good. On to the next one. We'll see a little bit later if it stops again. What they make new on this is that they have put this filter on. But it still takes up. So, what can I say about the Husqvarna 435i? It's light, very light. But after 2 batteries, I already had problem with this switch. So I had a warning lamp just blinking without any, meaning that in here sits a switch that's get clogged up by debris from the saw, and it's not good. It's absolutely not good. It's like, did I not test this saw before they make it or something? In my meaning, they should have instruction how to take it apart, give tools for screwing it apart, and an extra switch. Otherwise you cannot make such saw. This switch should be in a closed compartment or something, because I'm in the middle of Latvia. There is no way I can go to a repair shop or something like this. Luckily I found on YouTube that this switch was the fault. So I make like this, and after a time the debris from the switch gets but I still have problem. So the first I will do when I come home to Sweden again, I'm not sure that if I should go to a surface department and leave it. I mean, if I have this problem, thousands have problem with this. It's not good. Even if they put the new filter on. I don't understand how, I mean, 6 cat or something, this is full. And you have to brush it away. So, make better or hire me, Husqvarna. The 535i that I had for 4 years now, I never had any problems so whatsoever. But of course there is no sawdust or anything that comes up here. But this machine, it's made for working with. And of course I have the 130, just a simple saw, also work like a clockwork. It's no problems. So I don't know. I'll figure this out if it's a faulty switch or what it is, because plus that it's the same as this. If you have some little bit when you start it up, like some small trees or bushes or anything that comes in the way, then it stops directly. And I feel it's the same here. So you cannot work with this where it's bushes or something like this that comes in the way. So you must be totally clear from everything around you. So, but otherwise satisfied actually. It cuts very much better than the 130. So it's only this switch. That's all. Thank you for watching, and we'll probably put a video when I go cleaning some with this 530i IFR. Yeah. Good. Thanks for watching. Bye.